As you can see, all the wood is in perfect order, which is not a problem. Okay. What is missing is the hull planking and the dinghy planking. Here's the frames. How are you going to cover that frame with no wood? There is no wood in here. The metal fittings are not here. The steering wheel, the windlass, the pump, the anchor. Where is it?
And so not leaning towards it will be done in a responsible way.
Memo responding to the GOP FISA memo made public last week. Joining me now is Deputy White House Press Secretary Hogan Gill.
Republican memo with what the president has to decide in this memo, as he did with the last, is that if anything is in there that obviously it must be redacted. You've heard Trey Gowdy say that he's read the memo and he feels like there are some sources and methods in there. Quite frankly, we all know this, but a wall works.
If 190,000 dreamers had signed up for DACA when the administration has proposed 1.8 million would benefit.
Those are things he's heard about the people who had not signed up. But regardless of the reason why, the fact is, in the better part of 40 years, it's time to fix it. The American people deserve the safety and security about these text messages specifically.
Missing hull planking. You can see it right there. Dead eyes for the rigging. None. Windlass. Missing. All the blocks for the rigging. Missing. Metal rudder straps missing, chain missing, boat hull and barrels missing.